let's start with Unit 4, Chapter number 60, Past Time for War. Our past is full with history of war. Match the name of these films with the words they are based on. मतलब किस war से ये based है, आपको names लिखने हैं. Now Dunkirk. Dunkirk, it is based on D. ठीक है. Next is Lakshya. Lakshya, it is based on E. Beneath Hell 60 is H. Umat Pavant Vasets 2. Land and Freedom G. Chi. Now sixth, it's B. Madras Cafe. It's A. Now the flower of war. Flower of war का क्या है आपका? C. And Ghazi attack F. ठीक है? Now this chapter is also complete. Now let's start with chapter number 17, substitutes. Some countries and cities have special names or phrases that describe the character of some or something. ठीक है, या इन्हें हम substitutes कहते हैं. And name these countries and cities from their substitutes. यहाँ पे आपको इनके substitutes से बताना. Now the land of cakes. Land of cakes किसे कहा जाता है? Scotland. लैंड ऑफ केक किसे कहा जाता है? स्कॉटलैंड. नेक्स्ट इज द लैंड ऑफ रेनबो. लैंड ऑफ रेनबो किसे कहा जाता है? इट्स नोन एज साउथ अफ्रीका. नेक्स्ट इज गिफ्ट ऑफ नाइल. Egypt. The city of Golden Gate. City of Golden Gate, San Francisco. ठीक है. Land of Midnight Sun. Norway. The land of Thunderbolt. Bhutan. The Imerland Island. जो Imerland Island है वो कहाँ का है आपका? इट्स ऑफ आयरलैंड. ठीक है. द हर्मिट किंगडम. हर्मिट किंगडम कहाँ का है आपका? इट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ कोरिया. द लैंड ऑफ व्हाइट एलिफेंट्स, थाईलैंड. द लैंड ऑफ थाउजेंड लेक. लैंड ऑफ थाउजेंड लेक किसे कहा जाता है? नॉर्थ. लैंड ऑफ फिनलैंड. नाउ let's start with next chapter, that is chapter number 18, Indian women artist. Now, many women from India worked as a contemporary artist. उन्होंने contemporary artist की तरह work करा है. Identify this contemporary women artist from India. इंडिया की कुछ वुमेन कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्टिस्ट है, आपको उसका नाम बताना है. डैश प्रेजेंट्स अ सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो प्रोजेक्शन tilted shadow where people stimulated shadow are captured by a live camera and projected onto a white screen. These shadows seems to interact with other shadow and they are created by various other objects, जैसे कि आपका टॉयज हो गया, हाउसेज हो गया, बर्ड्स हो गया. कौन है ये? शिल्पा गुप्ता. ठीक है. Next is Dash uses stick on a bindi in her painting and sculpture. One of her most famous work is The Skin Speaks the Language Not Its Own. ये किसकी है? भारती खेर. Dash uses paper as a medium of expression. Letter from Showcases, series of prints based on letter from her sister. Verena Hashi. Dash often uses rubber stems in her artwork. She is famous for creation untilt. ठीक है, ये किसके लिए जानी जाती है? For her creation that is untilt. And she is, वो कौन है? रीना सैनी Kalath. Dash uses everyday material like cow dung, recycled waste, turmeric essence, needles, threads, coconut fiber, and human hair to depict her artwork. Among her famous work is An Hunt for My Pain, where she used over 100 meters of coiled thread dyed with red turmeric to form a 3D drawing. She was Sheila Gowda. ठीक है. Now this chapter is also complete. Let's start with chapter number 19, book movies. Many films are based on book. Identify this film based on the books. आपको identify करनी है films जो books पे based है. जैसे first is Dash is a Hindi film starring Ranveer Singh as an archaeologist who fell in love with Pachi, an aspiring writer. It is based on O. Henry's short story, The Last Lease. ये किसकी है? इसका क्या नाम है? It's Lutera. In Dash, Daniel Day-Lewis plays a role of Daniel Plainview, a businessman of Quest of Wealth. The film is adaptation of book upon Upton Sinclair. ये क्या है आपकी? There will be blood. This book का name क्या है? There will be blood. Dash starring Dev Patel is about a young man adopted by Australian couple, ठीक है, who uses Google Earth to find his village and birth mother in India. It is based on book A Long Way Home by Saro Bradley. ठीक है. Third, its name is Lion.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Next is it is based on one of the Agatha most popular book featuring Hercule Poirot. Plot of the film revolves around the investigation of the crime abroad a luxury trip. ठीक है. इसका नाम क्या है? It's Wonder. murder on the Orient Express. The film starring Julia Roberts tells the story of August Pulwam. The film is based on book जिसका नाम है आपका वंडर, और ये किसने लिखी थी? इट इज रिटन बाय आर.से पलेशियो. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर नंबर 20, last chapter of unit 4th, musical voice. There are many brilliant musicians in the world of music industry. आपको fill in the blanks करना है और आइडेंटिफाई करना है यहाँ के फेमस म्यूजिशियन. She became the youngest winner of the Grammy of Album of the Year for her second album Fearless. कौन है? टेलर स्विफ्ट. She is one of the most successful women in the history of music business. और जो उनकी सक्सेसफुल एल्बम थी जैसे लेमाने डे और डेंजरसली इन लव, ये दो थी. इसका नाम है बियॉन्स. The rock band from Kerala is named after the popular Malayali dish. This band sings only in Malayalam and has gained success across the India. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? ये अवेयल बैंड है. She is one of the most Indian successful playback singers, starting her career at the age of 30. इसके जो फेमस सॉन्ग है वो सोनिया और महबूब मेरे. कौन सा है? सोनिया और महबूब मेरे. कौन है? ये आपकी सुनिधि चौहान. He has found international fame composing Hollywood films, Slumdog Millionaires, and 127 Hour and won many awards. A.R. Rahman. Okay, this chapter is also complete. Now our unit 4th is also complete. That's all for today. Thank you.